Hey, it's Karen here, the creator of the Walk It Off Challenge. And in this video, I'm going to take you on a walk with me throughout my weekly walking routine. And you're going to see a lot of variation in the different types of walk that I do. Each walk is about, 25 to 30 minutes long, except for the one that you'll see at the end of the video. What I like to do is add variation to keep it interesting, to keep it fun, and keep you locked in to staying consistent with your walking plan. So without further ado, let's go. I'm focusing on the words I didn't know I could until I did. And just as I walk out here reflecting and it's quiet and I don't have earbuds in or anything telling me what I need to think or do, today I'm going to spice it up a little bit by doing a hill walk. So the first thing is to choose a hill. And the second step is to walk to the hill. Ideally, you want to start at the top of the hill and then go down first. It took me 12 minutes to do one rep. That's the first time I've done that this year. So it's smart to end where I end, right? It's one time. I know the time it took me. I'm gonna mark that down so I can measure improvements. Yesterday, we did a little bit of a spicier walk with the hill. So today, I'm just walking at a moderate pace. And the light in the forest is beautiful. I have so much energy today. So I'm going to do an interval walk. Since I'm in the forest, the type of interval walk I'm going to do is I'm on a hilly route. And so when I get to a downhill, I'm going to let my body rest and recover. When I get to an uphill or a pitch where it's a little more difficult, I'm going to pick up my pace. So instead of doing a timed interval, I'm doing a focal interval. What do you do when it's raining at your perfect time? You dress for the rain and you go anyway. Life is always going to bring you some form of rain, and continuing to walk through all conditions builds up resilience, mental resilience, as well as you're sticking to your goals. You're not letting external things impede your efforts. You're remaining consistently in control of your schedule. And once a week, if you can, to go to a place that you don't normally go. And maybe that's because you have more time. Maybe it's not a work day. Maybe it works into your schedule. And kind of thinking of it as an off-leash walk for yourself, because you don't have a time stamp on it. You can really just enjoy the surroundings. I think it's going to do nothing but accentuate your walking plan, because you have the fitness, you have the base, and you get to just enjoy and be where you are. Again, it's a time where you're unplugged, so new sounds, new environment, new energy. Yeah, so make sure you give yourself some off-leash time too. I want you to download the Walk It Off Challenge guide. There's 30 days of different types of walking. I describe what the walkings are. There's videos. You get to communicate with me via email. I'll ask you how it's going. And you can find that link below in the description below this video. Now, if you just still want to do a little bit of research on this concept, I've queued up some videos here, like the benefits of silence and walking. I hope to see you inside, and I hope that this video has inspired you to lace up your shoes, try some variety in your walking. Let me know in the comments below which walk you are most excited to try. Thanks. Bye for now. See you in the next video.